Stuck with VoiceOver on your locked iPhone. 1. Turn off VoiceOver from settings after unlocking. First, tap the screen to wake up your iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to start unlocking your device. If the passcode screen appears, remember that VoiceOver gestures work differently. Tap once on a number to select it. Double tap the number to enter it. Enter your 4-digit or 6-digit passcode. Once the iPhone is unlocked, follow these steps. Tap once on the Settings app to select it. Double tap to open settings. Use 3 fingers to swipe up or down to scroll the screen. Find Accessibility, tap once to select, and double tap to open it. At the top, locate VoiceOver. Tap once on VoiceOver and double tap to open it. Now select the VoiceOver toggle. Double tap the toggle to turn VoiceOver off. That's it. VoiceOver will now be disabled. 2. Turn off VoiceOver using Siri. First, wake your iPhone screen. Unlock your iPhone using Face ID by holding the phone in front of your face and swiping up. Once the iPhone unlocks, press and hold the side button to activate Siri. Or say, "Hey Siri," if voice activation is enabled. Now simply say, "Turn off VoiceOver." Siri will immediately disable VoiceOver on your iPhone. And that's it.